Running an auto repair shop is about more than just wrenches and oil filters. It's about managing inventory, determining the true cost of each job, dealing with insurance claims, and navigating the maze of industry-specific tax laws and regulations. And in the midst of all this, you need to ensure that your business is profitable. At CSI Accounting and Payroll, we've been working with small business owners like you since the 1960s. We even used to focus primarily on auto repair shop accounting. We understand the industry and we know the importance of good accounting. But don't just take our word for it. We're going to dive into the top 4 accounting services for auto repair shops. Just a heads up, we're not including ourselves in the lineup to remain completely unbiased. So let's dive into the list. First on our list is Corneliuson & Associates. This team of professionals specializes in accounting for auto repair shops, truck repair facilities, and tire shops. Their strength is their seamless integration with QuickBooks, providing a streamlined accounting experience. Combine that with their excellent strategic tax planning, and you have a robust partner for any auto repair business looking to keep their taxes in check while optimizing their bottom line. Next up is Hayworth & Company. Think of them as the multi-tool of accounting, prepared to tackle a wide variety of challenges. They operate on a business model that offers service packages for a fixed monthly fee, which means no surprise costs. Plus, their local customer service team is always ready to assist, ensuring a friendly and smooth experience. A fantastic choice for small businesses of all types. Our third contender is Golden Apple Agency, a beacon in the auto repair industry. Their comprehensive accounting services are specifically designed for automotive businesses. Their meticulous approach helps you manage your cash flow, sharpen your quote's accuracy, and maximize tax savings. They also provide insights on a specific job profitability. Last but not least is Pacific Accounting and Business Services. Industry veterans with over a decade of experience supporting the auto care industry. Trusted partners to 300+ auto care locations, their deep expertise is leveraged to foster business growth. Their key differentiator is their adaptability to any technology you have in place, making them an excellent choice for businesses with established tech infrastructure. As we mentioned earlier, our mission has always been to align your operations with financial prosperity. We guide you on maximizing profits and minimizing tax liabilities. We also boast a comprehensive learning center to empower our clients with resources like our automotive pricing matrix, blogs, and video tutorials. And there you have it, the top 4 accounting services for auto repair shops. Each one brings its unique approach and solutions, offering a variety of options to suit your specific needs. Remember, we're here to answer your questions and guide you through this crucial decision-making process. And because we have history going back 15 years of working with auto repair shops, we really know our stuff. Choosing the right accounting service is vital for your business, and we're committed to helping you make the best choice. Keep an eye out for more insights and tips in our upcoming videos.